Lakeshore flood warning is our big problem here. Of course, it is much grander and more concerning across Midland, Michigan, as Nick and Tim are there reporting for us. But the winds are going to pick up again today. We don't have more wet weather, but lakeshore flood warnings continue. Also, the Huron River near Hamburg likely going to crest Friday morning, so we need to be careful in southern Livingston County. Also, River Raisin in Monroe County cresting this afternoon. Avoid those areas. And again, lakeshore flooding for waves pounding high water levels up and over into roads and even into homes. That threat continues today, Wayne and Macomb counties. Until 10 p.m., the high water levels and the wind, the main concern. But temperatures, I'll tell you, fairly comfortable out here. It's mainly lower 50s, but we have 48 Ann Arbor and 46 in Port Huron. The winds are out of the east, but only 3 to 8 miles an hour right now. Through the late morning and afternoon, they will pick up, and we will see that threat continue again. Through the day today, partly sunny in the morning, becoming partly cloudy, 65, and really nice drying weather with that pesky wind problem. That's about it. So the big picture shows some wet weather off to our south and east, but it is spinning cloud cover our way, something we will have to continue to watch. No wet weather today or tomorrow, as we do expect drying conditions to continue over the next couple of days. So that's good news there. Want to skip ahead to the 7-day forecast here for you and show you tomorrow's, again, middle upper 60s. Friday looks pretty good, although more clouds and a couple of stray showers can't be ruled out. Not enough to cancel the tee times for you Friday. Saturday looks good, although Saturday night we'll probably get some rain lingering into parts of Sunday morning. And then again, late Monday, Memorial Day, Rhonda Evrod, we will have some shower chances coming in around dinner barbecue time. So make it an afternoon affair with the family Monday.